we have 3x cubed. Base of y to the 1 compared with base of y squared. 1 is smaller, so this base shifts up and we'll be subtracting that exponent of 1. So that leaves y. So we don't have a fraction remaining for that first piece. Next, notice that we have a subtraction sign and we have minus in our denominator, so that becomes plus. 15 is the only numerical coefficient. Bases of x, let's compare 3 with 2. So 2 is the smaller, that's going to be shifting up as a minus 2. Look at bases of y, they are identical. So the base of y reduces to 1. We have addition of 15, x to the 3 minus 2, that's just 1. Next, notice again we have subtraction and subtraction, so that changes to something being added. X squared, that's identical, that's reducing to 1. Y divided by y, again, those are identical, that reduces to 1. So what you end up with is 1 multiplied by 1 divided by 1 multiplied by 1. Well, that's just 1. And finally, with the last term, we have subtraction and a negative, so that will be plus. We've got 6 in the numerator. That's the only numerical coefficient. We've got 2 bases of x, but this time x to the 1 is in the numerator, and that's lower than x squared, so it shifts down with minus 1. We only have one base of y, and it's already positive in the denominator, so this last term will actually be a fraction. 6 will remain in the numerator, but x, y are both collected in the denominator. So it might look a little bit odd, but this is the way it's written according to our exponent rules. So I hope you found this helpful.